heart, you see. Glad to see you come out of jail, you know. I'm glad to see you. I'm not telling a lie. You see, from you gone to prison door. I have to turn up on my foot. The people them where they work at your company, I'm not telling no lie. I don't snitch me, I snitch for them. You're still my boss, you know. You're just never there for a while. But you see like how you come back, you have to go run with the whole of them people there.
So hold on, tell me something now. Yeah, you mean to tell me, say, hold on, answer, brother. Yo! Brother, forward, man, with the right down at the end part, you see the vehicle. Right down twist by CC. You switch by CC, down get some of there, because I can't up on it. You go see the vehicle, straight down to the sea. Yo, yeah. Because I don't know you take so long for forward.
Yo, listen what I say. Them people there.
Yeah.
As me say, I no snitch. A reality, me have to tell you, because you know say me I did the right hand for a long time.
Exactly.
Bossy, them the people there, you go have to get rid of them like how you come back. The whole of them a take away your things and I sell them out. Take out AC, everything, and when I use their head palm me I talk about a man come broke a place. Them the people there. As me tell you before, you go have to get rid of them. Them the people they just feel so they can use their head palm me. Too they know say I'm your right hand.
Alright, hold on. Hear me now. See? Where the money there? The money on me left. Because I remember saying when me go to jail, you know, I'm going to get locked up, you know. And when done, tell us if seal off 100 million. That seal off?
Listen, that seal off.
That seal off, alright.
Good. But AC, fridge, TV, out of every little apartment, gone. Nobody can get a account fee. You see all the boy when they call you on the phone, that's why me I run you off my phone and they tell me, hang up on him. That's why I tell you, hang up on the youth. Because
so
him a come call you and ask you, say, where you there? And him at the head of the game. Him at the head of the game.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Yes, him make most of your things and gone. But true, me a woman. And then know say me right and then the little thing and me you tell and me you tell to do this and me you tell to do that. Then feel say through them a man then can use their head for me. But he not smarter than me. That you they want little general, him a the head thief. Head thief.
Yeah,
and him lead the rest. And him make that gang there to take away your things then. Right you know, let me tell you one little story when me hear them at talk about. Listen, before you come back. Then they know say you come. Then after they talk say they wish you not come back now or they want man kill you in a prison. Because they want to take over your business and your things. You think they're easy?
Well, you really, well, I'm not going to say really because from you say it a lot, because so you go. Because I know you for a long time and anything you say, it govern and just suck. Here what I'm going to do now. I'm going to just take my time to get visible because I don't want nobody really see me like that. And you know what I mean? Because I just reach in. I want to just take a time for talk. Might go to some go-go club or something, chill with some girl and, you know, get back me.
But you have to know what you do still, you know. You have to know what you do. Remember, say you have your wife, you know. You see them girl they used to take away your money.
Yeah, you see that the woman there, I tell you about what go on. Me hear enough things what going about she in a video me get, you know.
I lie.
Yeah, me get video,
no, man,
you know.
Wait the power in my eye. What you say?
Yeah, man, me get video that no man, she a fallen angel, man. She a fallen. Everything's right now fresh me I start out. You understand
you know
what I say? Fresh.
Me I wonder if a she make up with the same nigga we just call you.
All that tonight too. All that tonight. But you hear me I say, don't worry about that.
Because some woman help.
Listen me I say.
Yo.
Me have my plan. Because me have a lot of time.
You want me to say? See fool a come there, you know. Let me tell you something, I don't want you to mention nothing to him right now when I just say to you, you know.
Alright.
I want you to see him one away and use the head pan him and like a figure you have to figure out what go down and to find out what take place. To see if he will tell you the truth. I want thief. Alright, guess what? Bossy, guess what? Little more.
Make sure it's your phone battery always step at 100.
Yeah, man.
You understand me I say?
Yeah.
And if your phone not good, tell me from now I can get
no, man, my phone up and running, bossy.
Alright, go on, 6.
Alright, yeah, man. Yes. You don't want to hear me. Alright, little more.
Skanker! How you mean?
Yeah, man, I saw them thing there for go, man. I want to prison bar now for all long, man. Like
You're careful of the ledge there.
Man, I want to man. I live free, man. I want to
Alright.
Yo, man, I have busy things I do now because of you, you know.
Watch them gun signers still, they don't know anything.
Because of you, man, I'm there, some man, I'm not lie to you.
Yeah, man, I respect a man as well
Yeah,
pay,
man.
because you don't know anything how far we are come from. And I just saying,
Oh, that's cool, man.
yeah, but our business are going still. More I know what going.
Yo, things are going, man. I'm not telling a lie.
Things are going.
I don't make nothing skip a beat, man. Everything runs smooth, man.
Everything under control.
Everything under control, man. I want to, man. Even if you never there for another 10 years, man, everything will go good, man. That me I make you know, man.
Really say, at 10 years, I'm doing in a place, you know what I mean? Just want to know so everybody kind of, you know, respect the order just the same way, because, you know, I come to make sure everybody all right just the same way. I want to put on 100,000 more per year pay every month, because you don't know anything, you have to step it up. Because you know, say, cost of living raise and all these things, you know what I mean? So we have to, you know, make everybody all right. So, gather everybody what you know, say, I run under full order.
Yeah.
Because we under, you know what I mean, a different movement now. We want everybody happy. Happy times now. You understand me I say?
Yeah, mama, still pray.
If we have to wipe out certain, you know, things, you know what I mean, we have to do it, but happy times. Yeah. You know what I mean? Because we have to protect ourselves. All right?
You know, man.
Oh, your mother good?
Orders, you know.
Your mother good?
Oh, my mother blessed, man. I have to take care of she, you know. You don't know the thing going on.
I mean, man, give her my regards.
Family now. Yeah, man, family have to come first, man. I saw the thing set,
give
man.
Her
You teach me that too, you know.
Oh, you mean, man? Right,
yeah, man. So, I saw the
Straight
blessings stay, man. So, what the first order upon the day, my father, cause
all right.
You don't know, you jump in.
1 week vacation. 1 week vacation. So just enjoy yourself, relax a little bit. Because, you know, more of your organize. That's why you see me out there right now in the sun. Because, yo, you know, long when it's not sunlight, bomb, right? Yo, brother.
Oh, so that's why you say come and see side.
I tell you, brother, long time it's not sunlight. So you are going.
Understand.
1 week vacation. So after the week done, you don't know, so just get ready for work. All right? As I say, 100,000 up and everybody pay.
All right.
All right? Because we are doing some serious work. I drop off some stuff at certain time. You know, not for good things, but you know what I mean? Or yourself, man.
Yo,
well,
I deal, man.
All
Anything you say concrete in a bossy.
All right, my boss. Know yourself, man. Do your thing, man. So,
all right.
Angle bank and, you know, we shall gather. I'm shout you, but make sure it's your phone 100%.
Always.
Your phone good, sir?
Always.
If your phone good, tell me from now, I'm going to get you a brand new phone.
Always up my G and everything.
Oh. All right. All right, my boss. There, I'm going to enjoy a little sunlight a little bit until, you know, you take the time and just roll in.
Yo, no that word, man. Anytime you want anything, just give me a link for it.
Right.
You know, man.
Up.
You me say straight.
Up.
All right, my brother.
Manners, yes, sir.
Yep.
All right, sir.
We link.
Yeah.
Bed and get a good night rest.
So now if you have bleach at night time, because only for rest for loose.
Enough bleaching you used to do and then sit the mash up your dog. Now we young.
Yeah, me, if you tell me one time, the boy make sure say speak back out the money when you give me.
How this?
Yo, walk on, pause on. Stop yourself, you know, man. Yeah, I'm glad to see the two of them one time, man.
They are going easy back, you know? Or you say go on?
What you know, man? I don't know the youths them loyal to the thing, you know, in a long time. I see the man them I grew up, you know. I rate the man them, you know, I love and the loyalty to the thing, you know. What you know? I plan a look at thing, I want the man them be a part of my thing, you know.
What that?
Man them be a part of my gang, you know.
No, man, nobody gonna further, man. I have my boy Dust there talk about. We cut down road there now, believe me.
Night. You see, you was a big man and now we are young youth. If you come and tell us, say, yo, look at work, you know, you see, badness no pay you now.
What heap of problem I go through with that, you know. Can't sleep at night time.
Long time. The money there.
I'm my regime, man, if you under, man, and just cool them, man, and warm to them, man. And me I go show you the ropes and how to make the money, man. And me I go show you how to make the real money, you know.
You see what I'm going to say? You need money, him need money, me need money. Where you want to go to rob?
No, man, I go do the badness the real way, man. Watch out, man. I have operations and I have businesses. And the first time boss, you know how me talk. Him they pay now 100,000 out and I work with him.
Yeah.
At 200 me I plan for give you.
Boy, that still can't go pay for my life, you know, I swear.
Soft.
As I say, I will sleep asleep,
We're not dependent thing there again.
Really?
We are not there look at you there again when you can just say, oh, buy a bag juice. Bag juice money that.
Channel
A
star.
bag juice money that. Now come and say with that
So
200,000.
really don't want to be a part of my movement?
No, we not go up down road there again, isn't
So
it?
you are going to force it?
No, I'm not force the item.
I
I
would
just
say no,
want to
that's
recruit
no
the
space,
item
isn't it?
still, isn't it?
No,
Because I want the
no,
money to
no,
be a
no.
part of my
No,
thing.
night. No, night.
Cha-cha.
Go on the mirror.
Yeah, man, do your boss, man.
Hey, say this, just
Say a
make it
word.
left, say.
No say a word, man. No. All right.
Alright, big up, man.
All right, man. No say a word, man.
Yo, have to watch him, man.
Go check Jimmy and see what's going on. You good? Why? Natural vegetation, eh? Nature. Jimmy!
Ah, go on.
Oh, bad, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah, David.
yeah, man. Glad you come out, man.
Brother, I tell you, 10 worst years of my life, you know what I mean? But, we're giving thanks.
Yeah, man, I say
Yeah,
if you go, man.
So the business?
Oh, you know, say everything good, man. Everything
good.
good, yeah, man. Remember, say, I send something in your account, you know, see it?
Yeah, man, I see that. I see an increase. You see it,
Yeah,
see
man.
that.
Yeah,
You know what I
man,
mean?
you know, say increase of go on, and
Yeah,
right now, want to plant up all the place,
What you mean?
Cause
Take your
rain time now, you know.
See. Yeah, I see what go on.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, set fire.
Mm-hmm.
Shouldn't really talk much. You don't know skank out there, and, you always, doing thing.
Yeah, man.
As a team, I show myself, I'm glad to them, see me back out at that place, because, what we just want to keep the business constantly running. I like what I go on. Proud of you, brother.
Yeah, man.
Proud of you,
Yeah,
for one
man, I
thing,
say if you
grateful.
go, man.
You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
man, I say if you go, man.
Grateful, brother. Grateful.
Mm.
But there, as I say, it's a past show me respect.
Yeah, man, you feel there, man.
Alright, for real, man. They are all the time. So, you still have a sorry drink them?
Yeah, man, me have everything, you know, man.
I take a one sip out,
Yeah,
I don't know
man.
anything.
Mm-hmm.
Because based on our life set,
Yeah.
if you don't have the real ingredients,
No,
can't work out. You know what I mean? Yeah.
yeah, man. Yeah.
Oh, no, I don't drink. And them a thing, you know. Because I tell you, some fresh out, someone build up my energy.
Yeah, man.
One shot good for me,
Yeah,
good for me.
man.
Yeah, man. See, I don't know anything, though. As me say, yeah, it still tastes nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, that's how me can't even hold it.
Yeah,
It's
man.
all good. So, you know,
Mm.
I touch back a base, you know.
Yeah, man, I say
So
if
we
you go,
talk, you know.
Yeah,
You know what I
man.
mean? And keep up the good work.
Yeah, man,
All
we
right?
link,
Proud
man.
of you, brother. All right?
Yeah, man.
Cool. And guess what I'm going to do? Increase everybody pay 100,000.
All right,
See?
sir.
Yeah, man. So we talk.
All right.
Set fire,
that's
I said fire, we search those for you.
Yeah, man.
All right? All
Yeah,
right,
man.
cool. Come in, Skanker.
All right, Dada.
God. God have mercy.
Hello, good
I'm
day.
tired. What happened? Sorry.
I'm here.
What can I see this? I don't want to fall. Anyway, are you make one check, you know?
Who I know?
Just listen carefully first. Anyway, we have a deal. I think about you and the working at the bar still, you know? And we have a deal we want to tell you about.
What kind of deal?
Listen, I can't really talk about the thing so, but that deal, I can make you get more than what you're receiving in here for your weekly pay. I can make you get 100,000.
Well, it depends on what I do, you know, because I'm not going to agree to anything.
No,
you see
listen,
me?
you know. Me have to kind of whisper this in your ears. Me have to kind of put it on a discreet. Me can't really talk it out in a public because
Nobody
right now,
know there, man, I can't talk.
Leaf and 3 of yours. Come and tell her. Don't repeat back what me say.
So
But just think about it.
no, look here.
No,
So
man,
if me go pick up that they walk the palm my brain now, and then police go catch me.
No. Export the police out of this. Export the police out of this. You see,
No.
this a deal is signed and sealed.
You have to think on two sides, negative and positive. You
Hello.
can't just think on one
You believe me
side.
not think about the 2 sides before I come here to you? Brittany, a long time I know you, I know say you a little struggling them. This a bar work here, what you do. I know you really want to have a better life. But because you want to take shame out of your eye, you try to do this. But me, I try to make you live a better life by putting this deal to you. Deal or no deal. Brittany,
We tell the truth. So no, how much money? How much?
listen. It's 100,000 I can let you get.
100.
Yeah, 100,000. But if you agree, me can make you all get more on that. More right.
Like how much?
Me can give you 50 grand more on that. They're 150.
No, if I did say 2, it wouldn't so bad. But 150.
Alright, so alright, listen. You see when you come on to my boss, and my boss run things. My boss have money like that. My boss I don't know pian boss. I don't know little idiot boy. My boss have it up there. So if me go talk to him, I just you if you put it to me right here, you know, make me know say if me give you 100,000, you will do it, you know. And you have to talk to me straight up enough, because once me talk to him about it, you know, you ready?
But the thing is, you just tell me that the alone.
Alright,
So
listen.
that me I
Alright.
go do. You tell me say her.
No, listen
You know,
what me
tell
I
me what basically me I go
Listen,
do.
it is him tell me 100, but if you say we do it for the 200,000,
Yeah.
that are nothing to him. The money, they are baby change to him. You can tell him and he give it to you. So deal or no deal, you agree if he do the job when me talk to you about? Make up your mind because me know.
So me I go do let
me
off
nah-
something there hour. What me I go do?
Listen.
Exactly. Can me
Me I go
confused.
carry you to him and make him tell you it straight out. When me just whisper and tell us in your ears, that is the deal, but he will tell you how you fit do it. I know me responsible for tell you them the part. But
Would I like to know what my life I go to right now because
you know no problem. That's something when me do all the while. Me I tell you that. That's something when me do all the while.
look here, you might have luck, but me might not have
No
no
man,
luck.
listen up, look how you're nice. Look how you're nice. I feel your face then you want to see.
When time the police then catch me then I go look past
Why
say
you
look
call
how
them?
she nice.
Listen to me, Brittany. You see people tongue, they have power in there. You have to be careful where you call down for yourself. You see when you go do things in a real life, you just think about the positive side. Nobody think nothing negative you know. You understand? That nah happen. That them man they have been linking them out there. You can go through. And him a get all the drive for you, and if somebody they care go drop you have everything.
But tell the truth. 200,000 that do good for me right
You
now.
sure?
'Cause-
You
Yeah,
sure?
I'm sure, but
So deal.
I know it's hard for me to say this in
Deal
about.
or no deal? Deal?
Come, deal.
Alright, deal. So,
Lock me
alright.
here and do this.
Brittany, me I tell you, say
Oh,
you're not gonna
fully.
you're not
Come,
regretting
me
my
know
girl.
I left from here, so, and then I go here.
Look here,
say.
you see 9 to 5 job? A foolishness right now in Jamaica. Here now, Brittany. It's like how you sign the deal. I don't know if you could have locked up now, you know. Would mind. Come on, here go to straight to my boss.
Alright
Right
then.
now.
Me I go lock up and then me link you. Show me to link you guys, you know. I think it already.
I can't wait for you, you know. I can't go. Hope this will go wait for you.
Alright, go on then. Go
Alright.
forward.
Yeah, man.
Alright. You know, man. I want to do it, and I don't want to do it.
Bossy, this is Brittany. And the thing we have to talk to me about the 100,000. She in a one little situation, a little struggling situation. She said she can't take it 100,000. She will do it for 200. So deal with it for me. All right, you can have a seat.
Brittany. You see, from said fire, see you as a potential, I mean, say you have something great. You understand? My organization that I've been running is something where I prefer to use people close to me and make them rich. And to use people who really want, be a family thing. So my thing is more family oriented. You understand? So you're alright, you're set for life. No, I can see it and I can feel the energy say, you're not really sure what you deal with. Explain
That's
to you.
right.
I love to use females mostly. I have 2 youth who I'm supposed to say the operation is back up and running. But I love to use the female them because, the females are element of surprise. Meaning pretty face, step in one place, nobody now go really doubt you. So anything I say to them, they go believe you.
For real.
You understand? Right now, I want to make sure you're alright. I don't know if you tell you 100,000, but I'm going to give you 200,000 a week. Right? You're like my messenger. You're like my runner. You deliver stuff, you pick up stuff, and you put stuff together. That is fair work officially. But you're going to help her along the way. See? I'm not going to talk to you directly again from this point. Set fire is going to be the one to delegate all of what you need to do. But there's one catch to this thing. You have to be always available. You understand?
Okay,
So
no
anything
problem.
you do for you, see that message coming on your phone, you understand? You just move it right away.
So, me still now get everything because when I not talk straight, you not tell me what exactly I'm going to do. Because I was asking her and she has said, you are going to tell me.
Yeah, man, no problem. You tell her, man.
So basically, me I going to do now.
Money. You're going to move the money around. When you move the money around, you deliver the money to where it's supposed to go. You understand? So when you get a certain amount of money, you drop it off, I go pick up money, right?
If you don't mind me asking, where all this money I come from? Where you do for like?
No, yourself with a part. Let me tell you, say, I have a lot of business, house and all these things. We have, yachts, we have cars, but I try to stay away from certain hype life right now. So I stay simple and easy. There's a lot been going on before you. So you join the family now, pretty soon you'll know everything, man. But there's nothing for you to be worried about. Because all you do is pick up the money, drop off the money.
That's how more
You understand? Right. But I'm going to be the one to bring this to you. If you betray me, there's a lot of consequences, which is going to be negative to the situation. So you have to know in yourself, say, you can deal with the situation for what the situation is all about. You understand? Because my thing is more about honesty and loyalty. Set fire, go organize everything. Don't worry yourself about money and support right now. You're good. Because she make me know say you work at one bar. You need that kind of life. Them life are waste time. You drop off, you pick up, you have time to do whatever you want. You even have a family and stuff. You know what I mean? So there's a lot of opportunities here for you, Brittany. So what you say?
Deal.
Alright. So we talk. Just tell Set Fire for 4 hours.
Okay.
Come in, Set Fire. Yeah, man, so you are going, everything set, We wait her, and she look like she will handle the business good. I like your choices, I want to know about you. You know what I mean? So we get everything up and running. Come on, get back in the streets, and make sure so them know so we're there, but secretly. Because we can't make the feds them know what we're going, so she can't make the money can get watched properly. Because anything we do right now, them are watch. You understand? So we're good to go. Back on the road.
Yeah. So everything good then?
You look like you have something to tell me.
No, man. Sitting here, I focus for now. I'm just glad I want to start out and take everything. So, you send the money to our account?
That go deal with through you. So I send it to you, send it to her. Everything I
Okay,
to
okay.
me.
Me just want to know if she get it. Because I don't want she see
Set
say
fire.
style me a style
Set
her.
fire a long time, I know you. Why bother you? Are you there, so? But you're there, so. You understand me, I say? And we can study energy. Come on.
Alright. Me never ready to tell you this still, you know. But you see Skenko? Me not trust him not even one bit. Me not trust him none at all. Because you see, for the time when you're not there, me not tell you no lie. You see certain money if it come in, nah come in.
Yeah, I said to you.
Yeah, man. Man nah go on with the thing good, you know. He nah deal with it good at all. Whole heap of money stretch off. Me no see noon tall and a big excuse this man full of.
I know, so me I wonder.
Skenko a thief.
That's the next thing,
Me
cause
don't know you get them the kind of people there and yo.
nah, man, sometimes when people get nervous and feel like say them want more than what them forget, them get craving. That always happen. But Skenko is always a youth, I know from long time, you know, where after a while them feel like you want more.
But
You know what I
me
mean?
can't make no man style, you know. Me you're right and you know.
Well said.
So if you want me get rid of Skenko for you, me can get rid of him, you know, with ease. Me not ask no question.
Come on, we just go and watch what I go on. Cause if you see,
Skenko original, me not trust him.
listen to me. Don't worry about Skenko for right now. See? What you need to do is just pay attention to get the operation them up and running. Me go pay keen attention to Skenko, because I go call him and tell him to give me a link.
That the man they come like in all the farm one gang, you know, and something me I tell about when me see it, me too, you know. Me hear about it, but me never believe, you know. But me see it now, when me can prove it. And them the youth, they were Skenko a link up with a long time criminal. So me not, me tell you already, say me not trust him, man. Me no want friend them kind of man there. Me and Skenko and a friend, me and him not deal. Me just talk to him through talk, see it, but different from that. I am out. Me no nothing with him.
Alright, me always see I walk, but you don't have your strap. You see, make sure you either have your strap on you, because we can't trust people.
No man, certain area me know if you walk with you, and when to walk with you.
And that's why people go program you.
No, they can't program me because I tell people my business.
Don't make them study you.
They
You
can't
understand?
study me, boss.
Exactly.
You know my style.
That's why me I say, in order for them study you, not make them feel like they can catch you off guard.
Yeah.
So always keep a strap. You understand me I say? And secure yourself. See? So set fire. Do we do? Alright?
And you know what saying call me?
Skenko call you?
Skenko call me, so if you come link him, because I want to talk to me about something important. Me don't know what I talk about.
Link him, link him. Link him. Just make a link. And see? And make a link, you just keep me posted.
Alright.
Alright?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Skenko can be a problem.
Alright, man.
See you later. Yeah, Moose.
What you say now?
Have a seat, man. You good?
Yeah.
Set fire. Long time I pray and I admire you, you know. He's a very loyal person. I rate how you're moving on the streets. You're very humble, calming, and you get to the point. And I say you get the job done. That's why I want to be a part of something with me about to deal with. Yeah, nobody move some man because what you know? 10 years that man done about to set fire. 10 years. And during that 10 years, you didn't know say me the behind all of the operations of me I ensure say you eat food. I ensure say things go on smooth. I ensure say things set. Your family them nice. Yeah, man. Look out for you, man. Means like a guardian angel. So right now...
Get straight to the point. What you want me to do?
I want you to be a part of my runnings.
Hold on. I really mean you want to betray my boss because he's gone for such a long time. Me and my boss right and you don't know that already. Me can't do that. Me not Judas.
No way that say that. No way that say that, you know. That's why I think about it. I'm saying did that offer you 100,000 increase. I'm look into it and I say, oh, you know, say use a lady we know for do her thing. I'm say more double that. I'm interested in you get $200,000. Now that is 100,000 more than what increase than what him did say more and give you.
Let me tell you something. Number one, me is not Judas. Number two, me no Peter. Me not deny my boss and me not sell out my boss for no money. You understand?
It's not a sellout thing in a set fire. It's how the business setting. 10 years now the man are there and you want him can't come back come take over the business. At 10 years now me I run this thing and I know the ins and outs and how things are run right now.
You know, say no disrespect. You're coming like Lucifer and try to take over Jesus' kingdom where not for you. Whatever you want to take over and want to turn my boss or fee say, you have the potential more than my boss. It already belongs to my boss.
What you mean by me feel say I want to take over or deal with this thing? Set fire. Understand this, you know. At 10 years now me I run this. And the best order this run under. No else. And me ensure say everything put on table, every food eat.
Listen to this. You notice the name we have? Set fire. Don't take it simple. You hear? Me I know nothing normal. You can't easily go around me like that. Me is my boss right hand. And even if I did 20 years, he might go do a prisoner when he 10 already. He's still a few more years left. Jano, me can't diss my boss. For nothing at all. Me can't sell out my boss. Like when they do Jesus for 30 pieces of silver and deny him when he come. You crazy? For money? Me can't do that. My boss deal with me too good and deal with my family them too good. My boss anything at all. Me ask him for him give me. A matter of fact, me not have to ask him for nothing. My boss put out any amount of the car when me have my boss buy it. The house when me have my money buy it. And I know work for that. Different from my wages when pay me. Me can't diss my boss. So no matter what amount of money, yo, you should have known for a long time, so you know, you're going to come to me with the foolishness and me not go in it with you, you know. But you think you can't come around with your little finger. You can't lead me. You can't lead me.
Set fire.
I am not Eve. You cannot lead me. You can't lead me go nowhere. You must leave from around me. You understand me? You can't lead me in your direction.
Set fire.
I want boss me say to the world,
all
not
right.
to.
I'm gonna make
You're
you know
mad.
this. Everything and every time have a place. You see, his time has expired, said fire. And my time now, and for the past 10 years, it has been proven. And me if you run this.
You are contact about expire. You act like my boss did. So me be a hypocrite against my boss, against my breadwinner. Just so you want to take over my boss place and things and asset and everything. My youth, be careful of what you do. Because you run yourself in a one direction where I be a destruction today. Be a corruption there right there. So mind you put yourself in a trouble, you know. Because as far as I'm concerned, you they try to slip and you will slide. Remember that.
You know, sister, this not gonna work out.
I not be an informer, no day of my life. And I will
She
never be a
not
spy.
gonna work out.
Pa my box, no day.
Alright, said fire.
You know what?
I did talk to one of my general and him say, oh, it not got me, you know, she too loyal. And I said, no, mama could have turned you. But I realized, say, him right. But everything, Chris.
Why you not go for somebody else in the company and see if you can lead them astray? I mean, you want to lead astray? You will never lead me astray. Me be a hypocrite on my boss. No dear. Sorry about that. Gone, excuse me.
Walk and live, said fire.
Walk on, yo.
Hello. Yo, boom blast, wagwan. Yeah, man. Watch out, man. I want some strap on ends, you know. What do you mean by for what? Yo, that man come back, you know. And all, as him reach, you know, me him send come call, you know. Yeah, man, I want some strap, man. Strengthen up my side, you know. Cause watching a bomb blast. At 10 years, that man not there for, you know. And me, I hold along the fort, you know. And me, everybody rate and I listen to right now, you know. I'm not give up that, you know. Yeah, man, now I'm here, man. I hold out on that. I form an alliance. I make my own team. Recruit my own soldier them. And take all the team soldier them. I go link the whole of them. And you see any one of them now want forward, just get rid of that. Yeah, man. I have 2 top prospect man who I want to get by my side. So the one named Tugger and Puppy Dan. Yeah, man, and them first I go link. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, where you me say man of them first I go link. I see any of them not comply, a dirt. Me hear them talk about this little new one, I'm calling him Brittany, you know. She hear say them a give certain little speech and power. But I don't even want sheep on my team. I see me I go see that and get rid of that. Yeah, man. I don't know long talking with she. Hear me say, man. I go formulate my squad. Oh, set fire. Yeah, man. But watch you know, she always loyal to them man then. I don't think she go want to give up them man so easy, you know. She go probably be one of the hardest person to convince to come on my side, you know. But I give her a talk still. Yeah, man, I give her a one talk, man. And if she don't comply, then you don't know what I have to do. Because we clean up house, you know. Anybody not on board, you don't know how that go. Yeah, man. Don't say a word, man. I don't say how you me a follow from morning, man. But I set it, man.
So you see I go on now?
Why am I there, Papa?
Well, I'm glad to see how we are reach.
You know, say just walk out because I can't park up the road then.
Alright, I'm parking. So come on, I hold a little reason with you, you know.
Alright, parking.
Alright, I'm parking. I'm come.
Oh, nice. Bro, J.
Well, I'm glad to say back in that place too.
Give thanks, man.
Yeah, man.
It's good to be around again, you know?
Yeah, man. Boy, you know, so if I did me catch you in an act still, I wouldn't say I go to jail. But yeah, you know, so them boy they hold you. Me and them are no friends, so I couldn't even say boy I chat to them or nothing at all. You see me?
Yeah, but secure work still, I understand.
Yeah, man. So that's one of them things. But I'm glad I see you car here. Never look around in the more show you still, you know. But here we go on. See your boy Penko?
See me, Skenko?
See him, man. See him, man. Skenko.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Your boy Skenko.
My soldier.
Yeah, man. You know what I know? Say, I him set you up.
What do you mean, he said that nothing can go, so. Man, when did it in time?
Brother, listen to me tell you, man. The man is a little rat, brother.
Skenko?
Yeah, he was a little rat. I shouldn't even tell her this still, you know. Because you know, so me a police and certain things are happening in the force. You're not supposed to come out from the office.
So how long you know this, though?
A long time I know, man. I know when you get bite, man.
Come on, 10 years now.
But listen, man. I just tell you, you know. See, him. So if you're still a par with him, you have to be careful. Because when you do once, he will do it twice. You see me? And as I say, as a police officer, you shouldn't even not tell her anything. You see me? I say, but at the end of the day, I rate you like that, so that's why I show you fullness. You see me?
Not a words. Give thanks.
Yeah, so just be careful, man. But I'm not too tired still. I'm going to make a
Yeah,
run.
because right now my brain kind of shift a little way where, consider certain stuff, but...
No, man,
if you
but I
have to-
think nothing too rational because you done serve your 10 years already and you don't have to know, say, boy, you go back to the one next 10 or maybe life
That's
at that
true.
time.
That's true. Because right now I have to watch my step them right now.
Yeah, man, you can just let him
Close.
down softly, man, because yeah, I'm still part of it, right, since you come now.
And I'm on the part, it work for me. You understand?
So yeah, I'm still at work together then?
Yeah, man, since before we link him and him link up on certain things, said certain way.
Alright, so this be I listen to still. So you keep your friend them close and your enemies them closer.
Respect. And now we put time, brother. See? So we shall get and thanks for that information because this kind of give me a different perspective on anything I mean. You understand?
Alright.
Respect, man. Bless you.
Alright, so big up yourself, man, and
Yeah,
be safe on the road, you know, see?
Give thanks. Yeah, you have to tell so be safe because them boy they out there,
Alright.
Alright, my general. Skinko.
Brittany. Serve. Yo, Brittany. Hold them here.
Yo, bossy. Yeah, man, more you can't link me, you know, it's a long time I call you. Because I have something very, very important to talk to you about. You busy? Alright, can't link me. You know the same ends where we always, eh? Yeah, man, 023, the same ends there. Alright. Me I wait for you. Alright, cool.
Set for. You know how long we not come out of place,
You notice me not laugh when you come?
Realize
No
that.
smiling thing. You know the same girl there with name Brittany.
Brittany, yeah, man, a good girl, man. Warm to her.
Why?
Warm to her.
Boss, you know, so me go over the shop where she work.
So, but not to have to stop at shop. I want now.
Me no know, boss, me no know what go down, but all me know say somebody dirt her. Somebody dirt her.
Good
Me
girl,
go
yeah,
there
man.
and me a call Brittany. When me touch her, no answer. She lay down. So, thief tone, you know what I mean? She gone. There's no more Brittany. And look how me warn the girl and tell her, say, left that job there and stick to me. And me
Hold
bring her to
on.
you and why?
So you tell me, say, them somebody a hunt Brittany from before we link her up our
Me no know because you know say Brittany is a girl way. You see the first time I meet her still, she look very secretive. She not really tell people her business.
Yeah.
But to me feel say she did hide something from me. Me not sure, me just assume. Me not really want to judge her wrongfully. Bossy, me not tell no lie. Me did really rate that girl there because she know if you do the work. And me know you pay her good. So me no know who I go down. But all me know is when me go there, our life gone out our body. There is no more Brittany. But come to think about everything mixed up in a one right now, Bossy. It's not only Brittany. You don't know, say the two youth them.
Which two you them? For me version them what me saying if you go link up?
The same two youth them and Tugger and Puppy Dan.
Come to them now. Don't tell me, don't do that.
Bossy,
Wipe out?
something in a something. Something a go on where we really need to figure out, find out what is the problem, but the two youth then gone too.
They're
dead.
That not sound good.
Bossy, a serious thing me I tell about, you know.
You know, someone little birdie called me this morning and tell me say, well, I'm gonna be straight and play with you. I have a conversation with one of my brethren, my police brethren, long time. Him now tell me say, him know who snitch on me, why me go to jail. And you know who he tell me about? When he tell me about this man, I said to myself, so boy, man, ever fella set fire, everything will all right. Skenko snitch on me and send me go to jail for 10 years.
A Skenko?
Skenko, I try to take over few little organization.
Bossy, me pre the thing for a long time with Skenko.
If I follow what you say for a long time, but I'm just in the bet.
Me tell you, say Skenko no real, the youth no loyal. Me never put no trust in him. Not even from right so to yaso. Me couldn't trust the youth them. Me just deal with them through the whole with the one place. But me never in and no way in.
But you make a do now.
You see the boy there?
So, hold on.
That boy there no loyal, you know if you happen now to that the boy there, you know.
The conversation where you and him have, where you go? Why must I say to you? I must say last time you say you're going to link him. So I think I know
Skenko knows that me and him is not the same thing. And I can't believe that Skenko take up his phone and come and call me, set fire. I need to see you come link me at XYZ place. When I go over there, I be things the man tell me when I don't want to hear about. The man want me and him to work together to fight against you and take away everything from you and turn around and get rid of you. So you would have gone too, just like a Britney and then to you. Who to tell?
I feel like I know.
Who to tell if I know him get rid of Britney and Tugger and Puppy and me don't know, but me just think now and I wonder if a Skenko need to get rid of. Skenko need to get dirt. Real dirt. Skenko no need to in this company and no more.
Right.
He need to come out of the system.
All right.
Completely.
All right. Set fire. Just say a word. Not say a word. Hear what I'm going to do now. See, you know, say me always have a plan. See? Public always have a plan. And guess the plan I'm going to have now. See?
Bossy, me I think about what they tell me, you know, I really Skenko set you up, make
you
you go to prison.
Yeah, man. Straight and play. Hear what I'm going to do
man,
now.
the boy they not fit there, so man.
I'm going to make him link me and act like everything is well. You understand me? I say, I give him a link. I make him go link me for river. I want him to link me for river.
Bossy, if you say dirt, a dirt.
Exactly. So what I'm going to do is make a stand off guard. See? Meaning, which part me I'm going to have a conversation. You're going to close by to just hold him at ransom. And make him hear what I'm going to say
first. But me not asking no question, you know. So if you see any energy in a youth, if still they talk to that the youth there, we need to get dirt in a less than a second. You talk to him, you know, and nothing with him.
All right, simple as that.
That me I tell you.
That part. So hear what I'm going to do now. I just shout him right now and make him come in. Come in.
The boy they fit dashing a some banana walking a Bossy.
Come in, man. Come in. Come in. That's fire, you ready now, see? It's when me go over there, so when you hide behind, it's right behind that place, so a big tree there, when you hide behind, so come in, sir. Come on, forward, you know. And you know the location already. So make sure you take that gun here. Time to yourself walk with a strap. You have a strap on you? Eh? You have a strap on you? Why me have to walk with two? Hold this. Lock it off. Come in.
Nah, take me. No surprise, you know. Always I make sure so we have our eyes them open. Bossy! Bossy, how are you meet your stuff?
Nature. Skenko. How long you know now, Skenko?
Long time, you know, bossy.
Is it long time or too long? Which one?
Long time, man.
Long time.
Yeah, man, you will grow me, man. Show me the ropes.
Skenko, me introduce you to the business. So the first thing you tell me, say, you there? It's a good family business. It's a good business for, you know, make some money and get rich based on the fact, say, you know, there's a lot of benefits. But you see, this business is not based on benefits of a single person. You understand? And as my mother used to tell me, say, enough is like a feast, but not unto the man who is like a beast. You know what I mean? So tell me what I want, Skenko. Because I meet you at the sea, you know. Down by the sea, and you said to me, say, everything good. No, meet me by the river. Here we are. This is where everything have to come out. Talk to me, Skenko.
No, yeah, try to get to, you know, boss, because right now everything good, you know.
No, man, you can't tell me say everything good.
What do you mean?
If you tell me everything good, that means he's a wicked brother. Or you tell me say you start pre-wickedness?
Nah, pre no wickedness.
You start kill people now for fun, eh?
Any hit me do, you know, boss, yeah, you authorize it, you know.
No, man, you're mad, man. Never authorize a hit like that. You know what I mean? It have to be an accident.
Which hit you
under my regime, under my code, anything will go down wrong, which have a bloodshed, eh?
Boss, anything happen, you know. I just casualty certain teams, certain times, you know. And you don't know how the thing go. From me send me for go do the work, I go do the work.
Understand. But sometimes, as you always tell me, is, boss, that one they get in the way. Boss, I never plan to shoot that one there. But, based on circumstances, we have to cover with tracks. Remember them words, Skenko?
No, then me tell you.
Alright, remember when we go to jail, Skenko?
Of course.
You should have known this well. You should have known this better than anybody else.
Yeah, talk.
Yeah, man. Get your attention slightly.
No, boss,
You see what go, you see anything what they are dark must come to light. When I say maybe. Them tell me say you, Skenko. Yeah, man, them tell me say you. And stop asking surprise, Skenko.
Me, bossy.
You know have nothing to do with it.
I'm to you, bossy. I'm not do them things. I'm not want to you.
Are you alone where you hoodie like that? See? Are you alone where blue hoodie? In my organization. Only person. Nobody else. Everybody are black, but you are blue. I must say we have codes, you know. I remember when I share fingerprint. Yeah? You are the reason why I go to jail, and you know that too. Yeah, man, you know, come on, stop look like like you have no idea or no clue what going on. You know what I mean? Like, you know, come on, man, better than that, man. You've been there, done that. I must say, yo, yes, as I said, I'm raised up on the streets then. You understand me? I say, I know how you think, I know how you reason towards everything, but I never just say you don't disrespect me to that level there. You understand?
So, that is it.
So you bring gun. You bring a gun, come to talk to me.
I always have my gun. You say you know me. I never trust what I want.
You don't trust what I want, Joe?
Can't trust what I want.
So based upon everything what I want, and me alone I put some trust into this situation, Joe? You have to know yourself. You see your point of gun at me? Just take your time and turn around and look what I go on. See that? You have to know, say, when it come down to them as situation, if you press the button, well, if I hold away dead, right as so you go.
So this was your plan all along?
That's my plan. I have to secure myself. You know me as a businessman as well as a in the streets youth, right? So you decide.
I'm afraid for that, you know.
I never come for this. I know dead to this thing. I come for talk to you, come here and say, you know what? I'm tired of this. You make no sense. I'm there in jail for 10 years and you teach me a lot. Put your gun, man. Put in your gun. Put it down.
So you tell me to trust you while you have your players, them have your gun in my head back.
Put on your gun. You have one choice. Are you decided? Are you decide? See it here. But for your squeeze, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to give I count to 5. Put on your gun and make we talk over this thing. 5.
I really want to trust you right now.
4.
So why she not put on for her gun?
She put on her gun. And just my word she listen for. 3. 2. 1.
When me say it, then you say it after me. Listen to every word. As me say one, then you say it after. After, not with me. After.
Ready? Action.
Please subscribe
Please subscribe
to Public Report Official.
to Public Report Official